Okay, camera cut off. Maximum time exceeded. Anyway, so there's the saddle. White Grips Pro Palm with a lizard. It says Minivelo right there. And again, back here. I mean, all in all, looks pretty decent. Still don't know what kind of brakes these are. Maybe I can find something stamped on them. Those look like Tektro rotors. The levers are Tektros. It's got one of the little cheapo Shimano trigger shifters, 8-speed. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have some fun with this. This will be kind of fun. So this will be the last of my unboxing video because I'll spend the time I need to get it all put together and dialed in. 15-inch frame. Yeah, I'm 6'2". It's gonna be a little bit small. I'm probably gonna put extra long seat post. I want to make sure that it goes all the way down past that, just that way I'm not stressing the frame with my big butt on there. I'm a big old boy. And yeah, probably will end up replacing cables with longer ones so I can put a taller handlebar and a bit of a riser stem on it just to match the longer seat post and extra extension that I'm going to need for that. So anyway, pretty nifty little bike. I think for the money it looks pretty decent. Thank you very much for looking. Sorry about that awkward pause. I hate doing videos. Yeah, cool stuff.